This is going to be a video tutorial on how to cross out text in Google Docs. I'll be using the Google Chrome web browser on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Google Docs here. Okay, I'm on Google Docs now and I have a little project opened up. To strike through text, I'll be showing you two different ways to do this. Say that I wanted to strike through this top line here. What you'll do is you'll highlight that line. I'll hold my left mouse button down, drag across to highlight it. And then the first way to do this is to go up to the Format tab up at the top, click on Format. Then you'll go down to where it says Text, put your mouse over Text, and then you'll go over to where it says Strikethrough, and I'll select Strikethrough. That's method one of how to strike through text. I'm going to press Ctrl-Z to back up. Method two, you want to highlight the text. And if you're on a Windows computer, you want to hold down the Alt key, the Shift key, and press the number 5. If you are on a Mac computer, you want to hold down the keys Command, Shift, X. And you will get the same results. But that is how you strike through text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.